We are in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and we have got something special brewed up here with someone in Halifax. Her name is Rebekah Higgs. You might know her as the DIY mom, and we are helping her out with some awesome aura paint as she is painting this refurb pink. It's gonna be amazing. Let's go meet Rebekah. I love this house, Rebekah. Tell me a little bit about this project.
Thank you so much. All the houses that really sparked that joy in me were pink. Plus there's nothing pink in the neighborhood, and I always like to think of, what brings a neighborhood together, what makes the street look more, inviting, exciting. And something that Halifax is known for is our bright colored houses. So I want people to drive down the street and stop and go, that's DIY Mom's house. I know it because it's the pink house on the street.
And it's going to be absolutely amazing. Of course, we're so happy to partner up with you and supply some of the paint for this project. I cannot wait to see it all finished. You can follow her on Instagram for all of the updates on this house and all the cool things that you're doing. It's at DIY Mom. Rebekah Higgs, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you so much. Bye. Thanks for stopping in.